Welcome back to my vlog, and we're at a completely different location this time. It's a place which it's the furthest I've been apart from Portugal, away from Kilkenny, and this is it. We are in Dún Laoghaire. It's a coastal town on the south side of County Dublin. Absolutely gorgeous spot with a beautiful harbour, and I'll tell you more about it as we go along. Now, this vlog will predominantly concentrate on both the piers of Dún Laoghaire and the harbour rather than the town centre, because they are, in my opinion, there's some lovely beauty spots and views on both the piers. And I've been to the East Pier, but I'm starting things off on the West Pier, and it might seem a little bit bare compared to the other pier, but we're going to have a look anyway. And I believe it's something like 2 miles from start to end. So I prepared myself for the hike. I've got plenty of water with me, and hopefully I'm going to treat myself to an ice cream later. And looking to over where I parked earlier, if you can see a white hut just in the centre of the frame, I'm parked just so, and it's only €4 a day, which is pretty good value for Dublin standards. It really is a lovely day for it. You can see the Dart in the background going past. That's the light railway system of Dublin. I think it stands for Dublin Area Rapid Transport, if I'm not mistaken. And I'll just sweep through the west side of the harbour to give you a lovely view. Look at that gorgeous blue sky as well. And as we peek over the harbour wall to the left, we can see into Dublin city itself. See the two chimneys, that's the famous Poolbeg Towers. It's an old power station which is now closed down, but I believe that there's a campaign to preserve those two chimneys there because they're part and parcel of Dublin now. You can see them from miles away, and it's a welcoming sight when you're on the ferry coming from Holyhead when you spot them in the distance. And just moving there to the right of the frame, you can see the Howth Peninsula, which we may visit at another stage. If you want me to, just leave a comment below and I might check it out for you sometime. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen. We finally reached the end of Dún Laoghaire West Pier as I'm walking gingerly over the harbour wall. So I'm going to show you what's in front of me. There's a yacht coming into the harbour. You can see the top of it there. And here's the lighthouse here. And it looks like it's been freshly painted green as well. Just take you around to the end of the harbour wall. That is if the wind doesn't blow me off it beforehand anyway. There, I've just reached the end of the harbour wall. I'll give you one final sweep round. It's very windy and blustery too, so I hope my microphone's doing a good job keeping that at bay. And there, looking back at the lighthouse. Right, I better make my way back before I fall off and show you the rest of Dún Laoghaire Harbour. And we've reached the end of this bit. I think it's meant to divide the west side of the harbour into two with a bit of a gap, but you have some lovely views as well as looking back onto the West Harbour where we started the journey. and I'll just swing around again. That's Dún Laoghaire town. I see in a part of the harbour where you can see all the masts of the yachts, and back to the two lighthouses guarding the entrance of the harbour, and a few sailing boats too to boot, because it is a lovely, glorious, sunny day here. Now, as we're approaching East Pier, this is the old Stena line ferry port just lying idle now, and I've used this on several occasions, and the last time I think my parents came to visit me and I had to pick them up and bring them to Kilkenny. But it closed down in early 2015, I believe, and since then that's all you have there. And there's quite a bit of artwork surrounding it, just to the right side of it, as you can see in front of you. And it could be used as an event space too, I believe. And looky who's joined us here in Dún Laoghaire Pier.